Los Angeles, a name that floats on red carpets and golden light, a city of dreams wrapped in sunlit luxury and silver screen myth. The morning begins with elegance. Sunlight dancing across satin sheets, a rooftop espresso overlooking the Pacific, palm trees swaying to a breeze that never hurries. Here the day starts like a perfume ad, stylish, smooth, irresistible. Rodeo Drive, where time slows for fashion, and leather handbags are treated like royalty. Heels click on marble, watches glisten in soft-lit boutiques. Sunglasses hide secrets behind six-figure smiles. Every storefront, a temple. Every shopper, a story. Drive west, and you'll meet the coast. Malibu shimmers like a whisper. Santa Monica smiles with soft waves and surfers in sync. The sand here isn't just sand. It's a red carpet for bare feet and bikini confidence. Every sunset, a standing ovation. Downtown rises with quiet pride, steel and glass, reflecting ambition, art galleries tucked behind minimalist cafes, penthouse views, stretching toward forever. LA isn't loud, it hums like a V12 engine, smooth, expensive, alive. You don't eat in LA, you dine, you experience. Sushi cut by hand under chandeliers, rooftop brunch with jazz, oysters on ice as the city glows below, flavor served with skyline. Even paradise needs an escape, and LA knows how to retreat. The Hollywood Hills cradle glass mansions hugged by eucalyptus and silence. Griffith Park whispers to stargazers. Runyon Canyon hosts the beautiful, sweating in style. Then comes the night, where velvet ropes mark the gates of mystery, where cocktails sparkle like secrets, where dance floors become galaxies of movement and light. LA doesn't sleep, it seduces, one beat at a time. But beyond the diamonds and the decadence, Los Angeles is a feeling. A fantasy with a skyline. Here, dreams don't just come true, they dress well, they drive fast, and they look amazing in soft focus. This isn't just a city, it's cinema, and you're already part of the story. Los Angeles, where every frame is pure seduction. Follow iChameleon Explorer for more like this. I appreciate it in regards. Help the algorithm to make it more interesting. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Enjoy.